Well, I've always believed that if you just keep saying something long enough, it'll actually happen, and we're seeing it. We're seeing it happen. For saving the planet, I think the first thing you have to do is understand what you're trying to solve. So AmplifiedAg is a farming and technology company. Its mission is to deliver global access to safe food. So we're operating farms, we're building farms, we're creating sustainable jobs for farmers.
We get a shipping container, build out the electrical systems, the plumbing systems, the software systems and control. Within about 8 days, we're able to take this shipping container and build a hydroponic farm. The WAGO products allow us to quickly assemble the boards in a very organized, methodical manner. It's laid out very well.
The macro level issue that we're trying to solve, and I believe the rest of the world should be trying to solve, is climate change.
Being able to be mission oriented and go home knowing that I've helped to make a positive improvement to the world is a great feeling.